I'm here at Integrate Middle East 2024 with Sean and Angelo from Q-SYS. Looking around the show today, the show itself looks bigger. The market seems to definitely be getting bigger. What trends are you seeing in the market? What's really happening here? What's changing and how is it changing?
Yeah, absolutely. Thanks, Reese. So we are here at Integrate, the second year of Integrate. Pretty excited to be here. I think it is a show that I see a potential growing. Currently it's the only AV show that we have. So I think it looks good. It's much better than last year in terms of the show. Business is growing for us in the Middle East, and I'm guessing it's not only for us, it's in general, AV business and technology. The adoption has been pretty significant in the last 2-3 years. No surprise, after COVID, I think a lot of companies decided to invest in technology. For us, the biggest growth that we've seen is in corporate, government, corporate, and higher education, more or less. And then we're seeing a lot of hospitality and entertainment as well. That is mostly coming from Saudi, right? Government and corporate is across the region. I think that's still going strong. With the solutions that we have, we're very well positioned to cater those markets. And for us, to be honest, our product offering and portfolio is so wide that we kind of fit everywhere, right? That's what we're doing. And our focus is also to push through the end user, rather than relying on the partners and so on. So that's our effort. We have teams. We started, by the way, let me tell you what we did here in the region, us as Q-SYS. We started in the region in 2021 with a small office, and then we grew the business. Currently we're 7, and there's more to come. We're moving to a larger office with a complete full-blown experience center. The reason we're doing that is because we saw the potential or the hunger from the market, especially from the end users, in terms of what manufacturers or what other technologies is there in the market than your typical solutions that is always provided to them, right? What we saw in the market, the trend is, at least for us, the trend is a lot of end users want to know what is out there. They don't want to rely on just word of mouth or partners. Your typical integrator channel, let's say, and this is where we saw our success. We go to the end users, we introduce our solution, we educate them on our solution, and in general on the AV and technology, and that's really been successful for us. And then from there, we're generating those demands, this excitement on the solutions, and we're also helping others, introduced to those end users, because Q-SYS, it's an ecosystem. We have an ecosystem of partners. We're bringing those partners and introducing them to those customers as well. In terms of technology, what we're seeing is, again, no surprise, AI is a buzzword. Everybody is talking about AI, and again, that's another thing that we're really well positioned in. We have SurVision, which is an AI-based presenter tracking. Not only presenter tracking, the system can do a lot more, but currently we're kind of limiting it to that functionality, and then in the future there's going to be a lot more. But in general, it's the word AI that's really attracting those people. And to be honest, AI is the future, right? Everybody's talking about that. And yeah, that's pretty much it in terms of the markets, our presence, the success, and it's good to be in the Middle East, to be honest.
Absolutely, it's all about touching face with the market itself. And looking around this show, you've got plenty of LED, you've got a big focus on immersive technologies, XR, that sort of thing. But without audio, you're missing a very crucial part of the puzzle. So if I could bring in Angelo now. Audio is the big focus here at Integrate Middle East. Tell me a bit about what Q-SYS has brought to the table this year.
Yeah, so not only audio with Q-SYS, we can also do more than just audio. So we can also do control and video as well. So what we have here on the booth is we have showing the other features that we have. We have the visible room capabilities, in which you can actually easily combine rooms, having the microphones and treating it as just one room. And then we also have behind that one, we have the Microsoft Teams demonstration where we're actually doing the spatial audio, in which we are one of the few companies that actually do spatial audio with Microsoft Teams. And then you can also integrate our UCI control on the same UC control with the touch panel. And then on the other side, we have the hospitality, because maybe clients are seeing us more on the collaboration side, but they're forgetting that we're also doing hospitality like background music and paging. So we're showing that side of our portfolio. And then we're also catering control and video switching using our encoders and decoders. And then lastly, we have the SurVision part, where we're showing the AI presenter technology that we have with SurVision.
It certainly seems to me that Q-SYS is meeting both the needs of today and of tomorrow going forward. Gentlemen, thank you so much for your
Thank you
time.
very much.
Thank you.